Hey, let me show you how to use your Webex personal room to meet with people. Your personal room is always available, and you always know where to find it. Your meeting URL, video address, and call-in numbers are the same for all your meetings. You can quickly host meetings in your personal room without any setup. Simply share your link with someone to start an instant meeting with them, and then click Start Meeting. If you're already in your personal room, you can share your meeting link from within the meeting. Click More Options. Click Copy Meeting Link, and then share it with the people you want to invite. If you haven't started your personal room meeting yet, people who try to join will wait in the lobby. If you locked your personal room, people who try to join will wait in the lobby until you admit them. Your personal room link doesn't change from meeting to meeting, but you can customize it however you like. From your Webex site homepage, click Preferences and then click My Personal Room. Go to the Personal Room Link section, highlight your personal room ID, and then enter a new one. You can choose just about anything for your personal room ID, but it must not already be taken by another person in your organization. If you want to change your personal room's name, highlight the current name and enter the one you want. To secure your personal room, click Automatic Lock to keep people from automatically joining when you start a personal room meeting. Click Save when you finish setting your personal room preferences. Links to personal room meetings you recently attended appear in the Join a Meeting tile on your Webex site homepage, so you can easily access them again. Click the profile picture of the person you want to meet with to join their personal room meeting. To make sure the most important personal rooms always appear in your recent personal rooms list, click the pin icon that appears over the profile picture. Give it a try.